shoot water, bro.
Hey, run that shit back, Q Money. Fuck going on? Yeah.
Hey, get this prime like this up a way. No cap and I came with a K. Everybody they I got it big. Facts. Hey, what it is? Hitman don't get your shit hit. Pass her the dope like I threw it assist. Hating no man and she throwing that shit. What it is? Young nigga, I got the stick. Up it, fuck it. Young nigga finna just bust it. Ayy, murder she wrote when I bust it. Fuck it, I got the pack and it musty. Got the drop, we gon' shoot like the Nuggets. With the gut, we gon' shoot at it muffin. Run on my cheese, what my bad say. I put the gut to his top like it's cap day. I got them knots, you get popped in your damn face. What? Fuck it. Nigga run up, we don't do no fades. Give a fuck by that boy and his age. Get it spraying like this a parade. Ayy, back in them days. Love me as fuck with no J's. Come with my dog like we broke out the cage. Condoms just pop when I fucked on your bay. Ayy, slide it. And you know I keep that G tucked. And we keep that gas, niggas know we keep that read up. Boss nigga shit, only went and got my feet rubbed. Hoppin' in the vet, shotty hoppin' in a hot tub. Ayy, name is Martin, where we spit that bag at. Ayy, cause you get the sparkin' where your fucking head at. Tatted up, shawty said she fucking with the sleeves. Now I'm wrapped up, run up on me cause he finna speak. I been out here cribbin' since a young nigga.
Young niggas around talk big falling, nigga. Stop playing, bro.
I been going stupid with them dumb niggas. I been going ruthless just for fun. Pistol pop, and I'm walking around, you know the D.I. he got knots. And I got my stomach tatted up, but I ain't pop. I might've took a L, but you know that I ain't flop. Free my niggas in the cell, free 'em out that jail box.
Hey, free my dogs out the motherfucking cage.
Yeah.
When I bust, I'ma shoot at his face.
Yeah.
And with that bitch, I'ma come with the cage.
Yeah.
I got rats, I just came out the back door. I'ma shoot when I come with the Mando. And that bitch, I swear she a hoe, bro. When I fuck, I'ma hit on that hoe.